welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Government to finalize technology for garbage disposal within 45 days. Decision on the type of project within 3 months. Bainguinim inevitable, says Urban Development Minister. Court grants anticipatory bail to Jitendra Deshprabhu in Korgaon illegal mining case. Deshprabhu had called the FIR politically motivated. Congress says financial situation of the state is unstable. Sudeep Tamankar says state has taken loan of 100 crore rupees from the EDC. IFI to pay homage to Dada Saheb Phalke, country focus on Turkey. More than 8,000 delegates already registered. Goa uphold upper hand over Jammu and Kashmir after first day's play in Ranji Trophy. Coach Dora Ganesh says be bold like champions. And Churchill brothers beat Salgaonkar in I-League. Henry and Truett clinches full points for Churchill with 88-minute winner. And now the news in detail. Government has appointed a special committee under the chairmanship of Member Secretary of the Pollution Control Board to solve garbage problem. This committee will finalize technology needed for garbage disposal within 45 days. Government will finalize the project for garbage within next 3 months. The meeting of the task force headed by CM was held at Porvorim on Friday. Meanwhile, Urban Development Minister Francis D'Souza has reiterated government's stand that Bainguinim project is inevitable and government will go ahead with it.
That expression of interest be floated by, today is 9th, so by 17th. Sanjit Roderick is appointed as a nodal person to work out on that. GSIDC will be the agency executing it. We have formed committee of 5 officers. Member Secretary of this task force, Levinson, Sanjit Rodrigues, who will be the coordinator of that committee. Finance, Joint Secretary Finance, Michael, Chairman of Goa Pollution Control Board, Director Panchayat, Narayan Sawant. These 5 officials will go through the responses, the response of all those. It's basically that expression of interest is to select technology. They will do the first exercise in 45 days and come with, not solution, they will come with technology. Those who quote, people have to show interest. Those who come with solutions, they will come with the best, maybe 3, maybe 4 viable solutions. Once that preliminary work is done by them, 45 days is the time given to them. There is a sub-task force which is, subcommittee of the task force which is formed. Me, Alina Saldana, Babush, Francis D'Souza, and the Health Minister, the 4 ministers, plus these 5 officers and the Chief Secretary. That subcommittee will go through it.
I think it is very
necessary. It's one of the solutions according to the municipal council that there should be a common cadre. Okay. But there's a common cadre of municipal engineers, there's a common cadre of accountants, which is not successful at...
Indispensable.
No, I'll tell you. Corp City Corporation of Panjim has purchased, they acquired the land. They are the owners of the land. Okay. Now whether they will be using it or not using it, it's for them to decide.
But it is required.
Jitendra Deshprabhu has finally got relief. North Goa District and Sessions Court granted anticipatory bail to Jitendra Deshprabhu in the file missing case related to Koregaon illegal mining. Bail is granted on bail bond of 25,000 and a surety for the same amount. The court has also granted anticipatory bail to 2 suspended officers of the mining department.
District and Sessions Court at Panji on Friday granted the anticipatory bail of Congress leader Jitendra Deshprabhu in a new case related with Koregaon illegal mining case. In a condition of his arrest, the court has granted the bail on a bail bond of 25,000 and a surety of the same amount. The court has also directed Deshprabhu to appear in the police station daily for a week. In a new FIR, Crime Branch has charged Deshprabhu for a theft of mineral ore lying on a property owned by him in Koregaon. In new FIR, Crime Branch has charged Deshprabhu for a theft of mineral ore lying on a property owned by him in Koregaon. Some file related with original case of Koregaon illegal mining has missed from Mining Department office. Deshprabhu has been also charged for conspiracy in the crime.
Mr. Deshprabhu has been granted anticipatory bail by the Sessions Court on the condition that he will execute, in case of his arrest, he shall be released by the police if he furnishes bail bond of rupees 25,000 and surety to the like amount, and then he should attend the police station for 1 week.
District and Sessions Court has also granted anticipatory bail to suspend Director of State Mines and Geology Arvind Lolekar and Senior Technical Officer Hector Fernandez. Bail is granted to them on bail bond of 25,000 and a surety of the same amount each. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Congress has claimed that financial position of the state is unstable. Spokesperson of the Congress Sudip Tamankar alleged that government is laden with huge loans. He also said that Parrikar should grant financial help to the mining dependent people if the state is enjoying growth of 3% even after mining ban. As per the information obtained by the Congress under RTI, EDC had provided the following loans to the state government agencies in last 6 years. Sudip Tamankar informed that government is facing financial crisis. He also said that around 100 crore loan was asked by Parrikar-led government from the EDC, out of which 50 crores are already allotted. Congress has demanded that mining dependent people should be granted financial help during Diwali.
आमचो प्रश्न हांगासर असो आसा की सध्या कालवीचो पळय ब्रिज आसा पळय हो सरकारान प्रायोरिटी बेजीसार हातीन घेतलेलो आसा. हांगासर दिसून येता की हे पैसे सरकारान जे काडल्या ते पूल कंप्लीट करपाक काडल्या काय म्हणून लोन काडटा न्हू मान्य कर जाहीरपणान की ट्रेजरीची परिस्थिती गोंयच्या ट्रेजरीची परिस्थिती खालावलेली आहे हे मान्य करचे मुख्यमंत्र्यान. इतलीच आमची मागणी आसा.
He joined that Parrikar's statement on 3% growth in the state despite mining ban can affect mining dependent people badly.
स्टेटमेंट जो आसा हो पब्लीक इंटरेस्टान म्हणटा तो अत्यंत हानिकारक असो स्टेटमेंट आहे ह्या परिस्थितीन राज्यात. कारण सुप्रीम कोर्टान पुरेपूर ह्या स्टेटमेंटाक लागून आज जे मायनिंग डिपेंडंट लोक पळय वयता तेंचेर परत एक योग्य तांकां न्याय पळय मेळटलो आसलो ती शक्यता हांगासर खंय तरी पयस जाल्लेली आहा.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.